Today's video regarding HP Deskjet 2700 series printer. So I'm going to show you how to find the IP address of your printer. Now first step is to download the rear tray. So put the pages there. Also open the output tray. Switch on the printer. Make sure your printer is connected with your any device using the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. If you don't know how to connect with the Wi-Fi, then you can just follow the other videos and connect your device with the Wi-Fi network, and then we can use this option here. Open the HP Smart app. So once you open the app, you will see the printer here. So click on the printer button and you get the options here regarding this printer. Now look for the tools and then click on the printer reports. Here you see option like network configuration and it says print. So click on the print button and wait for the printer to print the page. So printer has printed this page and it is the HP network configuration page. Look for the wireless option and in that you will see IPv4 and it says the IP address, and which is directly written in front of this IP address here. So that's the IP address of your printer. Thanks for watching.